Choosing a good supplier is a crucial step for every dropshipper who wants to run a successful online business. But there are plenty of factors to take into consideration when searching for a good supplier, and that research can take a long time. That's why in this video, we decided to make things a bit easier for you in your search for a dropshipping supplier. We're going to talk about CJ Dropshipping, who they are, how you can benefit from them, and why you should be adding them to your trusted list of suppliers. Also, finding the right suppliers is a good start, but there's still plenty to learn when it comes to running a profitable dropshipping business. So before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can learn the latest dropshipping tips and tricks that'll really help your business take off. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna cover is what is CJ Dropshipping? CJ Dropshipping is a leading Chinese dropshipping supplier. And unlike most Chinese suppliers who usually cater to both e-commerce sellers and to your average online shopper, CJ is built specifically for dropshippers. What does that mean for us? Everything about their platform is extremely user-friendly for dropshippers, and it's incredibly simple to source and ship products to customers since that's their main purpose. Okay, so now that we know who CJ Dropshipping is, let's get down into their main benefits as a supplier. Number one is their variety of products. Whatever niche or category you're selling, they've got. There's over 400,000 products on CJ's site to choose from. They also cooperate with hundreds of factories and suppliers, and that means with such broad options, you can drastically lower your competition, who are usually all selling the same product. The second benefit is free US warehouse inventory. You might be asking, wait, didn't you just say that this is a Chinese supplier? Yes, I did, but this Chinese supplier has US warehouses that can store your inventory. That means not only do we get to benefit from the cheaper prices from a Chinese company, but we also get American shipping standards, which is what's lacking in most of these foreign suppliers. Usually Chinese suppliers like Alibaba and AliExpress can take up to 30 days to ship a product, and nobody's got time for that. With these US fulfillment centers that use USPS shipping, your products will get to your customers within 2 to 5 days. That's a major difference in shipping times and something that's super important to most customers. Personally, I wouldn't want to wait over 30 days for my product, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. What's the longest amount of time you'd be willing to wait to get your product shipped? Next benefit to CJ is reliable customer support. So not many people think to consider this aspect when finding a supplier, but I would argue that it's actually one of the most important elements to focus on. Why? Because when you think about it, your supplier's customer service affects your own customer service. If you're not getting answers from your supplier, what are you supposed to be telling your customer? With CJ Dropshipping, you don't have to worry about bad customer service. They're working around the clock, are super easy to contact, and they respond very fast. And once again, just a general tip, customer service is not something to overlook because your customer satisfaction is really what's going to factor into the long-term success of your business. Their next benefit is sourcing and negotiating. Now, this one is interesting. One of the biggest perks of working with this supplier is that they have an option to source products for you per request for free. Here's how this works. If there's a specific product you're looking for and you can't find it in their selection, instead of you doing all the research and finding it through a different supplier, you can actually post a sourcing request and CJ will quote you a price for the product within 24 hours. This means they do the work for you and save you time. You actually have two options here. They'll either add it in their inventory based on your recommendation, or they can make a specialized bulk order just for you and store it in their warehouses. And our fifth benefit is that they ship items together. This next one is a lifesaver. Why? Well, surprisingly, a lot of suppliers still package products separately. So instead of customers receiving one bulk package, instead they have to deal with getting a bunch of mini packages over the course of a few days. So when you're using CJ Dropshipping, that'll no longer be a problem. It'll all be shipped in the same package and it'll be a smoother experience for everyone involved. All right, the next benefit to this supplier is white labeling. What's white labeling, you ask? Well, that means you can personalize your brand's packaging. This is a huge huge advantage. Instead of that generic random packaging you see, your buyers can get your own customized branded packaging. This gives you an edge up on the competition and can make you more memorable as a brand. And here's an extra tip. Use this opportunity not only to beautify your packaging, but also to market yourself. On your packaging, you could provide links to social accounts or pages you recommend your buyers to check out. The seventh benefit is return policies. Like most Chinese suppliers, CJ Dropshipping prefers not to get the items shipped back to them. Instead, they prefer to either compensate you or ship out a new product altogether, which in turn saves you and your customers the hassle of shipping back a return. But in general, returns are very situational, so you can always reach out to their customer support and they'll let you know what to do, because like we said before, their support is one of their benefits and they should be getting back to you pretty fast. The next pro about CJ Dropshipping is their print-on-demand service. CJ offers a really cool feature which is called print on demand. This means you can sell products like necklaces, dog collars, or even neon lights, and your customers can tell you what customized text they want written on the product. If your customer wants, for example, neon lights that say relax, well, you can make that happen for them. Plus, a little tip, not a lot of dropshippers offer this service, so it's a great niche to be in without a lot of competition. All right, the last benefit that we're going to discuss today is product videos and images. The first thing that pulls your customer in is your visuals. This means photos and videos. CJ provides great photos and videos to use, plus they'll even customize it just for you. You can shoot a message directly to your supplier and ask for a specific background color behind the product, and they'll be more than happy to make that happen for you. Your visuals are what's gonna help you stay ahead of your competition and attract more buyers. Aside from the advantages we just mentioned before, this supplier is also compatible with AutoDS, meaning you can use a whole range of dropshipping automation tools that'll make the process even easier for you. Tools like price and stock monitors, automated orders, bulk uploads, and so much more. To learn more about that, click the link in the description to try out these tools for just $1. Well, there you have it. I hope you have a better understanding of CJ Dropshipping and what they can offer you in your business. If there's another supplier you'd like us to review, let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and good luck choosing your dropshipping suppliers.